stand outside in the rain, I feel it burn my skin. Or shouldn't it cool me down and not hurt me? I look at the people inside, I want to be like them. Or should it really be so hard for me? And I hate myself for feeling like this. Why can't my mind just stop? And no, I look around and I feel so lost inside. And I look around and I can't make up my mind. I don't feel like I'm the same as everyone else. Why can't I fit in and still be myself? I try to calm myself by slowly breathing in, but the air, it burns my lungs. I'm choking. I feel the pain inside, but it's so deep they cannot see. They're probably thinking bad of me for not trying, but I try so hard. Why can't they not see? I just want to be like them. And no, 'cause I look around and I feel so lost inside. And I look around and I can't make up my mind. I don't feel like I'm the same as everyone else. Why can't I fit in and still be myself? Cause I'll pack my bags and I'll run too fast. I'll follow my plans, I won't be held back. I'm not going to hide, this time I will fight. And I'm gonna try, and I'll get so high. And I'll try, and I'll try, and I'll try, but I won't give up. No. And I'll try, and I'll try, and I'll try, but I will not stop. No, no, no. 'Cause I look around and I feel so lost inside. And I look around and I can't make up my mind. I don't feel like I'm the same as everyone else. Why can't I fit in and still be myself? Why can't I fit in and still be myself?
I'm always the same kid, run always in the same way, growing my dream every fucking day. Yeah, I don't wanna live this dream. Yeah, I hate this society. Yeah, say my name and you see my shadow. I don't wanna fall no more, the right was the way you through. I was blinded. I don't wanna fall no more, the right way's the way from.